everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Digital Wealth Pros, and this will be a Digital Wealth Pro review and also a payment proof on how much I was actually able to deposit from working with this automated system. So for those that don't know, Digital Wealth Pros is a online opportunity. Okay, it is a digital educational platform that allows you to make money from the comfort of your home. And with this system, you are going to receive different digital educational products that you can use. That's going to teach you how to make money online. It's also going to teach you how to run traffic online. And not only that, they are going to show you how to build a business from home. So if you're interested in making money from home online, you want to know more about building an email list, growing your brand online, and you just don't know how, this platform is going to teach you how to do that. So with Digital Wealth Pros, when you decide to become a member, you're going to be able to put this business on autopilot because they close the sales for you. So they have call center reps that answer all of the questions that your leads may have. They also send them a link that they need in order to sign up. And your leads are going to be able to pay you directly through your third-party payment processor. Now, depending on where you're located will be the different third-party payment processors you will have available to you. That can be Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, just to name a few. Now, with this, you're going to also get a proven system. So they have a sales funnel that is high converting, along with the different capture pages that you can use for your leads. So in your back office, you're going to see the different capture pages they have available that you are going to be able to use to start promoting your business opportunity. They also have a digital library of different ebooks, audios, and videos that's going to help you to improve your business overall, teach you some new skill sets, and help you to start growing traffic within the online and offline space. They also have ad campaigns, direct payments to you, and much more. You're going to also get some free bonuses. So what I want to show you really quick before we move on is just a receipt where I have $6,985 that I was able to deposit mainly from this business. This income came in through my third-party payment processor, which is connected to my Digital Wealth Pros back office, my website. And then I was able to transfer those funds directly to my Bank of America account, which was available to me today. So this is a proof that this system works. And basically, you can decide how much you want to earn. Now, this depends on what level you come in at. They have the $200, $400, and $800 payments. This is a one-time payment that allows you to collect unlimited at that level and anything below that level. So if you come in at the $800 level, you can collect $200, $400, and $800 payments. If you come in at the $400 level, you're able to collect $200 and $400 payments at that level. We're also going to include some fast action bonuses that you're going to receive on top of the Digital Wealth Pros Library training series that they have. And if you want more information about the different bonuses that we have included, along with the website that you will be able to purchase, all you have to do is click on the description below and you'll see that information there. So this is a system that works. It is a great online opportunity for you to start earning consistently in the online space. Again, if you are having problems and struggling with traffic or learning how to build a business, this is a great system to get involved with that's going to help you to start producing results online. So the steps are also included. You're going to first choose how much you want to get paid based off of the different level that you decide to commit at. Again, these are all one-time payments included. You can upgrade at any given time. When you decide to upgrade, you do not have to start at the $800 level. You can upgrade to that level. Okay, so come in where you feel that you can get the most bang for your buck. Step 2, you're going to make the one-time admin fee. Depending on what level you come in at, the admin fee will be applied for you to actually start to get your membership site and also to get your website and your capture pages. You're going to set up your back office, which is going to take less than 30 minutes to do so. And then you're going to start driving traffic and get paid. So these are the steps. Again, if you want more information about this opportunity, it will be in the description below. I look forward to having you a part of this team. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thank you and have a great night.